Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight. Psalm 32 verse 8. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you. Isaiah 30 verse 21. Whether you turn to the right or to the left, your ears will hear a voice behind you, saying, This is the way, walk in it. James 1 verse 5. If any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. Psalm 37 verse 23. The Lord makes firm the steps of the one who delights in him. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Psalm 119 verse 105. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. John 16 verse 13. But when he, the Spirit of truth, comes, he will guide you into all the truth. Proverbs 16 verse 9. In their hearts humans plan their course, but the Lord establishes their steps. Isaiah 58 verse 11. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.